Hello friends, today we are going to prepare a very healthy herbal tonic, that is a syrup of basak leaves. Whenever someone is suffering from cold and cough, and this is very nice. This is a very good for as an immunity booster as well. So instead of tea, if someone can have it daily, that will be very healthy. So we have taken basak leaf, we have taken bay leaves, we have taken tulsi leaf, and it's little bit of ginger, and 2 pieces of elaichi or cardamom, and 4 pieces of cloves. So let's see. So first we are adding basak leaves. So and then we will put tulsi leaves. Then we are adding bay leaves. Then we are adding ginger. Then we are adding 2 pieces of elaichi and 4 pieces or 5 pieces of cloves, and we will let it boil for 10 minutes. So what else we have to take? We have to take honey, and we have to take michri. In Bengali it is michri. It is actually sugar, the bigger size of sugar. So we have to take all those things and let it boil for 5 minutes. So first it will become like a red color syrup or liquid after maybe 5-10 minutes. So we have covered it, let it boil for 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes it has become little reddish. Let it boil for another 5 minutes. Then it will become a deep red liquid. See how it has become. So now it's ready. So what we have to do, we have to take it in a cup and add 1 spoon of honey, and we have to have it like we have tea. Like if someone is having diabetes, then avoid the honey. And this is a very healthy, natural herbal syrup which you can have instead of tea daily 2 times, and it is a very good I'll say tonic for cold and cough and immunity booster as well. So just have it, try it in home and have it. Thank you.